Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. Unlocking selection in Microsoft Word is essential for editing and formatting your document freely, ensuring you can make necessary changes without restrictions. So let's start the video. So this is our Word document. Now if you try to edit text in this document, you will see this error. You can't make this change because the selection is locked. To fix this issue, click on the File tab in the Word ribbon, and then click on Info from the submenu. Here click on Protect Document, scroll down, and you will see from the drop-down menu that Mark as Final option is enabled. You have to disable this option by clicking on it. So click on Mark as Final. With Mark as Final option disabled, go back to Word document. Now 90% of times you will be able to edit the document. But if you still face the same error that selection is locked, then click on the Review tab in the Word ribbon, and in Protect Group, click on Restrict Editing. In the Restrict Editing menu at the right, click on Stop Protection at the bottom. So click on Stop Protection. So close this. Now you can edit your Word document without facing any error. So that's how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.